Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, we are playing Escape the Evil Dentist Obby. Now, the dentist is mad. Let's find a way out. Ooh, you gotta avoid this thing. Press the button so it spawns the floor. Okay. Where's the button? That's right there. Okay, let's go. Ah! Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Yes! Okay. Jump on the teeth. Jump. Jump. Okay. Careful on these. Ooh. Ah! Okay. There we go. Alright. Okay. Just gotta be careful. Okay, be careful. Tiger boy? Then why are they dressed up like a girl? Well, I'm a boy and I'm dressed like a girl too. To unlock the door. Let's find it. Can we open these? Nope, we can't. There she is. Ooh, the key. I got it. Okay. Okay. I really have. Why do I still have it? Ooh, I almost just. Wait, I touched it and didn't die. Okay, let me just do this trick that these people do. Okay, and then it has to be. Yep, it's green. Okay, now do the cheat again. Let's go with green. It's red. Red, red, red. Yep, and then the last one needs to be blue. Oh! No! It wasn't, so it must be red or green. Okay. No, I would not like to buy that. I have 1,000 Robux now. Okay, so we know it's not blue, so what about red? So it's green. So it's green then. Oh, shoot! Oh, no! Well. Okay. Oh, wrong way. How do you get in? There we go. Oh no, I died! Ah! I died again. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Ah! No, I died. These people are going after me. Ah! Who are these people? Whew. Okay. Walk over this thin floor, then get into the elevator. Well, I hope we do okay. Careful. You gotta be super careful. Don't. Oh no! Let's zoom my character in so I can see a little bit. character a little bit better. Careful. Okay. Ooh, so close. Ooh, she could have died right there. Okay, up the elevator I go. Can we jump on these? No! We don't jump on the balls! I just hit my hand on my face. Oh my gosh. I just hit my hand on the face. I'm in such shock. Now I'm ahead of her. I think she might have been waiting. No! She's still there. I think she was waiting for me. Because now she's still ahead of me. Who is this girl? I don't know who she is. Well, of course I don't know who she is. I don't even know who she is in real life. But her name is Alex, because that's her username right there. Okay. Ooh, oh no! Okay. What? I just saw her, but she's like AFK. No! Okay, so I'll be back once. Why is it giving me all these, like, stuff? Like, what's she doing? Oh, no! I just died. Oh, and she's already ahead of me. Okay. Let's just keep on jumping on these balls. I'm gonna pause the recording, and when I jump on the ball. I finally made it outside! Just gotta touch this little checkpoint. Checkpoint! Okay. Whoa! Oh, God! I died. She didn't touch the checkpoint. How am I supposed to get down? Oh. Oh no, oh no. No, I died. Okay. Oh, this ladder thing. No, wait, what? How do you do this level? How do you do this level? Oh, this makes a lot more sense. Oh. Now there's the next stage. Oh God, acid. Oh shoot. Oh wait, this Alex girl is on 9. Well, I have no reason why I just put my hand on her name. You can't even see my hand. I don't have my face cam right now. Okay. So let's hope I'm almost done. I have 1,000 Robux, but I'm not gonna waste it, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it just in case I want something. Nope. Do not want to skip stage. Okay. Luckily, these stairs actually work. The other stairs didn't work. Come on. Ah! I should climb the other way. That might work. That works. Wrong way. Okay. Okay, it could go, and now it's going this way. I think. Yep. Now this way. This stair level is like so hard. There we go. Okay, we finally finished the, what is this? Okay, this girl. What is this? We made it on top of the roof. Avoid being touched by the toxic smoke from the vent. That's interesting. Ah, I died. Oh no! Okay, I finally finished this level. Okay. Shush. Dad, shush. Don't walk in it. Okay. Wait. Okay, go. No! I died! Nope. Not wasting another part of my Robux. As you can see, I'm premium. Go. Okay. There we go. Okay. No, what do we do? I'm so confused. Like, what do we do here? Oh! Are you kidding me? No! Sorry if the video automatically ends. My max recording limit is 15 minutes. Done. Okay. Oh, wait. What's down there? Oh. Okay, I'm so confused. This level is tricky. Shush! This level is so tricky. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, guys, I'm just going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!